Good morning, everybody. Tracey here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our brand new card making kit. It is called Rainforest Retreat. I think this is one of my most favorite card making kits we've ever done because it's got cards for the whole family. I mean, everyone. Mum, dad, boys, girls. It's great. So this is the sheet that you get inside the card making kit, and there's 6 card designs to get you started. And if you measure on your sheet of paper here from here to here, that's the exact measurement I've used here to here. So you just need to measure from there to there, from there to there. On this, you'll have it. You can make these cards exactly how I have. So in the kit for your $27, you are getting the pearls, a little mini cut apart sheet. You can just trim this one up, or you can use it with die number 6 to make it super easy, quick and fun. We've got some white ribbon, some double-sided satin ribbon, a packet of our Rainforest Retreat creative cuts, a packet of our card and envelopes, and a packet of our 6x6 collection packs. Let me show you the cards. As I said, these are some of my most favourite cards because the whole family, like Peter would love this, my grandpa would love this, my dad. These are not just for girls or boys, they're for everyone. They're just really fun cards. Happy birthday, the best day ever. This one here, I just traced a circle around my roll of tape, one around the outside, one around the inside, and just cut them out. I used a lot of the creative cuts this time and not so much fussy cutting on these because the creative cuts are just adorable. So another happy birthday. This one is so fun. I've just put some of the pearls down the center. This one, they're all just so cute. Happy birthday, have a little birthday wish. It's really cute. And this is probably one of my most favorite. It's so simple, but it's just so bright and beautiful. So card making kits are available from the 5th of November. They're just $27. And we hope you love this card making kit as much as we do. You can jump onto our website and see our other card making kits. Our Merry and Magical and Days of December card making kits are back in stock too. So you can also pop those in your cart if you are looking for a Christmas card making kit. Thanks for watching, everybody. Till next time. Bye.